Welcome to LITBLINDS Store YouTube channel. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping. Roller blinds, a versatile and stylish window treatment, have emerged as a popular choice in contemporary interior design. These sleek and modern window coverings consist of a single piece of fabric that rolls up and down on a tube, providing an effortlessly chic solution for light control and privacy. One of the key advantages of roller blinds lies in their simplicity, as they seamlessly blend into any room's aesthetic, offering a clean and unobtrusive appearance. Available in a myriad of fabrics, colors, and patterns, roller blinds cater to diverse tastes and interior themes, allowing homeowners to customize their window treatments according to their unique preferences. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, roller blinds are highly functional, providing precise control over the amount of light entering a room. They are an ideal choice for spaces where versatility is paramount, such as living rooms, bedrooms, and offices. Additionally, roller blinds are easy to operate, with options for manual or motorized controls, ensuring convenience and user-friendly functionality. Their low maintenance requirements further contribute to their popularity, making them a practical and durable choice for those seeking both style and functionality in their window coverings. Whether aiming for a minimalist, modern look, or a cozy, traditional ambience, roller blinds stand as an adaptable and sophisticated window treatment solution. Furthermore, roller blinds are known for their space-saving design, making them particularly suitable for smaller rooms or areas with limited space. Their compact and unobtrusive nature allows for a seamless integration into various architectural styles, enhancing the overall aesthetics of the space. The flexibility in light control offered by roller blinds is noteworthy, as users can easily adjust the level of illumination to create different moods or maintain privacy throughout the day. Some roller blind options also come with special features such as UV protection and thermal insulation, contributing to energy efficiency and providing an additional layer of comfort. In terms of installation, roller blinds offer a hassle-free process, and their versatility allows for mounting inside or outside window recesses, depending on individual preferences and the room's layout. The ease of cleaning and maintenance adds to their appeal, as many roller blind fabrics are designed to resist stains and dust, ensuring longevity and a fresh appearance over time. The contemporary market offers an extensive array of roller blind styles, including blackout blinds for bedrooms, sunscreen blinds for living areas, and moisture-resistant options for bathrooms and kitchens. With their ability to effortlessly complement any interior design scheme while delivering practical benefits, roller blinds continue to be a go-to choice for those seeking a harmonious blend of functionality and aesthetics in their window treatments. Whether in a residential setting or a commercial space, roller blinds stand as a timeless and reliable solution for achieving a polished and well-appointed atmosphere. In addition to their aesthetic and functional attributes, roller blinds also contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly living environment. Many roller blind materials are sourced from eco-conscious suppliers, and their energy-efficient features, such as thermal insulation, can aid in reducing heating and cooling costs. By minimizing the reliance on artificial lighting and regulating indoor temperatures, roller blinds align with the principles of sustainable living, making them an environmentally conscious choice for eco-minded individuals. Moreover, the adaptability of roller blinds extends to their compatibility with smart home technology. With the integration of motorized or automated systems, users can conveniently control their roller blinds through voice commands or mobile applications. This not only enhances the overall user experience but also aligns roller blinds with the modern trend of smart homes, providing homeowners with a technologically advanced and interconnected living space. In commercial settings, roller blinds find applications beyond the conventional office spaces, proving to be effective in creating versatile environments for various businesses. From enhancing the ambience in retail spaces to providing optimal light conditions in conference rooms, roller blinds offer a dynamic solution for addressing the unique needs of different commercial settings. In conclusion, roller blinds encapsulate a harmonious blend of style, functionality, and sustainability, making them a versatile and enduring choice for window treatments. Whether sought for residential sanctuaries, contemporary office spaces, or environmentally conscious living, roller blinds continue to captivate individuals with their timeless appeal and adaptability to evolving design trends. Beyond their practical advantages, roller blinds are celebrated for their ability to transform a room's atmosphere through the manipulation of light and shadow. The varying degrees of opacity available in roller blind fabrics allow users to achieve specific lighting effects, from softly diffused natural light to complete blackout conditions. This level of control over the play of light adds a nuanced dimension to interior spaces, creating an ambience that is not only visually appealing but also conducive to productivity, relaxation, or entertainment. The customization options for roller blinds extend to the realm of design, where individuals can select from an extensive range of patterns, textures, and colors to suit their unique tastes and complement existing decor. Whether one desires a bold statement piece or a subtle backdrop, roller blinds serve as a canvas for personal expression in interior design. Furthermore, roller blinds contribute to the overall acoustics of a space by providing an additional layer of sound absorption. This feature is particularly valuable in urban environments or bustling commercial settings where noise reduction can significantly improve the comfort and functionality of a room. By addressing both visual and auditory elements, roller blinds stand out as a holistic solution for creating well-balanced and inviting environments. In summary, roller blinds go beyond mere window coverings. They are transformative elements that marry functionality with design aesthetics, offering a multifaceted approach to enhancing the comfort, style, and ambience of any space. Whether employed in residential sanctuaries, commercial hubs, or creative workspaces, roller blinds continue to define themselves as indispensable components of contemporary interior design. In the realm of innovation, roller blinds have evolved to incorporate advanced materials and cutting-edge technologies, ensuring they remain at the forefront of modern window treatments. High-performance fabrics with features such as anti-static properties, flame resistance, and easy clean coatings contribute to the longevity and durability of roller blinds. These materials not only enhance the practical aspects of the blinds but also cater to the demands of diverse environments, from family homes to high-traffic commercial spaces. Additionally, the integration of sustainable and eco-friendly materials in roller blind production reflects the growing awareness and commitment to environmental responsibility. Manufacturers are increasingly offering options made from recycled materials or those with minimal ecological impact, appealing to consumers who prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions. The adaptability of roller blinds is further exemplified by their use in unconventional spaces. As room dividers or as elements in open-concept living areas, roller blinds provide a dynamic way to redefine and partition spaces without compromising on aesthetics. This flexibility in application showcases the versatility of roller blinds as not only window coverings but also as design elements that can shape and enhance the functionality of various living and working environments.
With innovation. Lit Blinds required professional for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. Lit Blinds work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers: USA 2547086262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store.
LITBLINDS.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. LITBLINDS.store.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comments and share.